Allie Peters here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I am standing in our brand new listing located at 8867 Larch Trail in Parker, Colorado. This home is nestled in the quiet community of Dove Village and is 2,100 finished square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, with a beautiful gourmet kitchen and a wide open floor plan. Let's take a look around. Not only is this a beautiful home and is move-in ready, but it offers a low-maintenance backyard with xeriscaped all the way through and even a little putting green. This is a house you do not want to miss out on, so if you'd like to see it for yourself, schedule a private showing with me or come by our open house on Saturday, September 9th from 12 to 2. I hope to see you there.